Junith is a hero renowned across the Imperium to both the faithful and the heretical. Her very presence radiates faith and calls all loyal servants of the Emperor to become renowned with zeal. From her first days in the Scholar Progenium, Junith was observed to have a frightening intensity of faith. Her traumatic experiences had clearly scarred her for life, but not caused her to break or falter. Instead, she repurposed her hatred and rage against the enemies of the Imperium. By the time she joined the Order of our Martyred Lady, Erith was already being watched with keen interest by its Canoness Superior, Mayor Samaritan. Her inspirational addresses, intensity of faith, and somewhat maniacal fondness for flame weapons suggested great things to come. Samaritan was not disappointed, for when Erith took on the role of Retributor, she performed with distinction. Come build, collect, and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.